What's going on, guys? Sir Lewis here, the YouTuber that helps you invest to rest. And in today's video, I'm going to show you guys, in my opinion, the best investing crypto app to have on your phone 2021. Now, of course, this is all in my opinion and for entertainment purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor, and I'm going to show you guys here why I think this is the best app. And if I convince you, then you guys can use my code below for it, and you'll get $25 worth of Bitcoin free after you invested in $100 using this app. So that's $25 free right there of Bitcoin that can be worth a lot more in the future. So take advantage of that and use my link and my code, the referral code, in the description below. So without further ado, I'm going to try to convince you guys why I think this is the best app here for crypto investing. So before I even start, I have the app here open, but before I even start, let me show you guys here a quick article about this app. So this is from the website Benzinga, which is a pretty good, well-known website, and they're just rating the app Voyager, which is the one that I'm talking to you guys about today, and they rated it, almost 5 stars. As you guys can see, they tell you the pros here. So the pros: simple, straightforward, intuitive mobile platform, wealth for investment opportunities, allows users to earn interest on select crypto investments. So that's another big thing that this has. So they have APR on select crypto investments. But yeah, it's just a little article here talking about the app Voyager, and as you guys can see, they rated it almost 5 stars. Now I'm going to open up the app and show you guys here how the UI is and how to use it and why I think this is the best app, and try to convince you guys why I think this is the best app. So as you guys can see, it's very, very sleek. It reminds me kind of like Robinhood, but it's really easy and just straightforward. What I love about this app is that right when you get in, it tells you all of the top coins here, and the way that they rank it is based on market cap. So the first one is the one with the biggest market cap, which is Bitcoin, obviously, and then we have Ethereum, which is the next big market cap, and you guys can see it's all based on market cap, which is great to know which ones are on top. And you guys can see the price is always changing, and that's the real price right there that they show it right there, which is awesome. Another cool thing is that this app has Dogecoin, and a lot of apps out there, crypto apps, don't have Dogecoin, like Coinbase and other apps, and this one does. So if you're interested in investing in Dogecoin, this is the app for you. And yeah, let me just show you guys how simple this is. So this is the main screen, and then when you click right here at the bottom, that's basically your portfolio. All right, and as you guys can see, I have 117 at the moment. It's consistently changing, and I love how they have the circle graph here. It tells you what percentage of your portfolio is in each coin. As you guys can see, I have 36.9% ADA, and if you scroll down, it tells you a bunch of information here. What I love to see is if you scroll more, it tells you your profit loss. So basically your profit loss for that coin. So it's great to know. Even though it's very simple, it just gives a lot of information here. So it's just awesome. I love the simplicity of this, and the biggest thing that attracted me to this app is that it's commission free. And I probably should have said that in the beginning, because that's the big thing, along with APR, interest just by owning a crypto. But being commission free is huge because you don't pay a certain percentage once you do a trade, right? Or once you sell it, or once you buy it. Like many apps out there, Coinbase, Binance, they have percentages every time you buy or sell. They'll take a certain percentage. Now, since it has that, which is a huge pro, to go against that, it has the spreads, and the spreads aren't as close as the other apps that do take away percentage fees. So that's the main thing here. So let me show you guys here the spreads. So for example, let's say you wanted to buy Cardona. So it tells you right here, you're asking your bid. So your bid is 105, and then your ask is 108. So when you buy, you're gonna pay 108, right? So the spreads aren't as close. That's the drawback to this app. But to me, as a long-term investor, I'm not planning on day trading and buying and selling in the same day and stuff like that. I'm pretty long on crypto, so I believe that the stocks will go up a lot over time. So to me, the spreads aren't a big deal as compared to the percentage taken out right off the bat. So that's one thing to notice too. So if you're a day trader, you're gonna be consistently day trading on crypto. The spreads probably is gonna be something pretty big to you and important to you, so you might want to try other ones. But if you're long term and you just want to buy crypto along the time and just for the long ride because you believe that it's going to grow a lot in the future, then being commission free is a big advantage, because when you buy it, it's not going to take anything from it, and the only thing is the spreads aren't going to be as close up. So it tells you right here the interest rate, it tells you the market cap, it gives you so much information. And let's see, so if I wanted to buy it, it has a limit order, which is awesome, and yet it still doesn't have the stop loss order. They might add it in the future, but like I said, the stop loss order is something, you know, pretty important for day traders or, you know, swing traders. Another cool thing here that it has is recurring buys, so you can put a thing so it buys it every monthly or weekly, whatever you like, so you don't have to manually do it, which is awesome. I like that. Robinhood also has that. As you guys can see right here, this is the crypto interest. You earn interest just by owning crypto. As you guys can see, interest rate, monthly average that it tells you to have. And this is just awesome because you're basically earning, you know, free money just for having crypto in your thing. So this is the best app, guys, for long-term investors. You know, if you're a day trader, probably not because of the spreads, but if you're a long-term, you know, you want to hold it long-term, you're gonna earn interest, you know, on top of it being commission free. When you buy it, there's no fees. You're gonna have interest rate on it, so you're gonna get money throughout the years basically just by owning that stock. And it tells you right here the interest rate, which is awesome. I mean, just by having US dollar here, you get 8.50%, which is pretty big, pretty high. So, and last but not least, I'm gonna show you a big feature here that I love about this app, and it's actually the graphs. I'm gonna show you how awesome the graphs are. Let me pick one here again. Let me pick Dogecoin. All right, let me show you guys how awesome these graphs are. It might look simple, but what I love about these graphs is that they actually show you the exact price for that certain part. So for example, I want to see the 1 week change. So for 1 week, it goes from 0.06 cents to 0.04 cents, which it is now, and it tells you exactly. I love that because a lot of apps out there don't have this yet, and it's very clear. You can see the price difference for that certain time. So a month, it tells you it went from 0.7 to 0.8. A year it went from 0.01 to 0.08, and it's just very clean. You can even put it larger here. As you guys can see, my screen just changed, but they also have candlesticks. As you guys can see, you could change it to candlesticks if you want that. And it's just really cool to look at these graphs because it's just more simple to the eye. So that is Voyager, guys. I hope that helped convince you to download this app because it's really good, and the commission free and the APR is just really good cons. The only bad thing is the spreads, but if you're a long-term investor, to me, I don't really see that as a big deal. So if you really are a long-term investor and you want to start buying cryptos, another thing too I forgot to say is that look how much cryptos they have. They have a lot of variety here. Like I said, they have Dogecoin, they have Cardano, Ripple, Litecoin. They have all the main coins here in this app. So if you guys are interested in, download Voyager, use my referral code, which I'm gonna leave in the description below, and you'll get $25 worth of Bitcoin. So take advantage of that now while Bitcoin is low and get the $25, but you only get it after you put in $100 and trade those $100. But take advantage of it because Bitcoin is low, and then when you get that $25 and Bitcoin goes up, you're gonna get more money on top of that. And if you want, you could just trade Bitcoin and get the $25 and put in something else. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, the best crypto app for 2021 and for the next years to come. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.